We're at Coventry Drive and we're with Trudy Ann, who said the sun too bright and she wanted to go back in even though she's wearing a darkers. So we have her package and Trudy is one of our regular customers. She do it almost every other week. Regular shopaholic and we like it. So tell me how you feel about the service. What you like about us? Like how you step in close? Who like how you step in close? Alright, go now.
The service is great. I always get my packages quickly. And
Yeah.
I like the service.
You know, like the updates and all of them things there. You know, like the delivery man who always come on time all the time. She don't even remember. She say you always come with me. Yes. Bad. Trudy. You're not going good. Not very good. But hey, we're happy to please you, and we'll keep on doing it as long as you keep on shopping. And we want you to shop.
And I will be shopping.
And you will be shopping.
Yes.
Going to work today? Mad people you take care or just regular people? Mad people.
Yes.
So you can take care of me then?
Yeah.
Can you see some half mad? Yeah man, have a good one, Trudy. And thanks. There you have it, Trudy some mad. I won't believe her. But hey, on the Liberty Trail and this is how it is. All day, every day.